This is the 1899 Hertel Runabout. At first sight, it looks less like an automobile and more like a puzzle waiting to be solved.
Truly nothing more than two bicycles stuck together with an engine and a seat.
Boy, I can't wait. Today we're stepping back to 1899 with this incredible Hertel Runabout. The Hertel was built by Max Hertel's Oakman-Hertel Company in Massachusetts. It was priced at $750, about twice your typical bicycle, and featured innovations like independent suspension and a friction drive transmission. One clever feature that really stands out, you could start the car without ever getting out of your seat. The centrally mounted control lever handled speed, braking, and even engine start. A major convenience at a time when most drivers had to get out and crank their cars by hand. Fuel efficiency figures aren't officially recorded, but based on its size and lightweight design, experts estimate that the Hertel could get around 40 to 60 miles per gallon. It was a budget-friendly, fuel-sipping machine that still managed to deliver real innovation. This car is a time capsule of ingenuity. Low cost, machine-like efficiency, and early suspension all reflect the experimental spirit of the time. And it still runs. Proof that simple, clever design can endure. It's a really distinct looking automobile. It's one of the oldest in our collection. It definitely has taken some level of inspiration from a bicycle.
Definitely has. If you look close, you realize it's truly nothing more than two bicycles stuck together with an engine and a seat. It's a great little car. There's only 3 known to exist, and 2 that I know are real. I mean, when you think about it, here we are with the very first automobile in America with 4-wheel independent suspension.
Oh, high tech.
Yes, it is. It's the first American car you could start from the seat.
Can you run me through what the method of that is?
And this controls everything right here.
That's the whole engine.
Right now it's in gear, so it doesn't roll backwards on it. But if we pull it back, it goes into neutral, you pull it all the way back and it puts the brake on. Yeah, but when you want to start it, this is the throttle right here.
All right.
Ignition switch is down here. Mixture control is here. So when you want to start it, you'd pull it back into neutral, squeeze this handle, bring it forward, and start pulling it back. Now it's coming up on compression, and then pull it back through. Once it starts, you let go of that, push it forward, you're in gear. And of course, no liquid leaves the fuel tank. You'll notice a lot of things, and we'll lift the hood up here.
All right, so we're looking at the engine now.
It's a 2-cylinder gasoline engine, 4-cycle. But it's kind of interesting. It has atmospheric intake valves. In other words, the exhaust valves back here are run by rocker arms off a camshaft, but the suction of the piston opens these atmospheric intake valves.
And those do?
That's the fuel in.
Okay.
And the air mixture. This rocks back and forth. This is the ignition system and has no spark plugs.
No spark plugs.
Has 2 electronics. One comes in here, one comes in here. They come off that dynamo, and that puts out 10 volts, and it goes up through these 2, and they have a electrode like a furnace.
So those little rockers just kind of like popping, basically rocking back and forth and popping sparks?
You have oilers here. You adjust. Now, one of the things that's kind of fun is you'll notice it has a pedometer right here.
Oh, look at that.
And that's so you know how far you have to walk home if it breaks down.
You're telling me this is not very reliable?
Pretty good, it really is.
It's 1899.
Yeah.
There's no roads.
No.
We're mostly horse and buggy.
Yeah.
And this obviously is taken from a buggy design.
Yes.
Are you really using this as a grocery getter, or are you?
Well, it's probably more behaved than a horse, because if you park it outside of the grocery store, it's going to sit there. It's not going to wander off. You can holler whoa all you want, and it's not going to pay attention to you. But no, pretty dependable little car for the day.
All right.
But they built custom wheels for this.
What was our braking system like over here?
Right here. That's the brake right there. Rubs, when you pull it back, it rubs against the tire. But it has features that some of the new cars have that we always think about.
Oh.
It's tilt steering.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. You don't even need to find the button for it.
No.
That easy.
Yeah, and it's always right there. But it's fun because when they made all of this stuff, this is all hand-hammered spring steel for the suspension on the front of it.
Wow. That little leaf spring is it?
Yeah, this right here.
And how smooth of a ride does that give you?
Oh, very smooth, yeah.
What is it like when this thing starts up? All right.
We're gonna run this back in the shop, check it over, make sure it's all ready to go.
Boy, I can't wait.
I know, it's kind of fun.
Good. Yeah, I think this is top speed. 5 miles per
I think
hour.
we're doing about 45.
I love the sound that the engine makes on this because it does sound like
Yeah.
It's like it's like a cartoon car.
Did you call for an Uber?
Like the spaceship from the Jetsons.
Yeah.
So if you pulled one of these out though, in the day, like 1899, 1900, you're pulling this out as a pure flex.
Yeah.
You're showing off that you've got it, and then you're gonna park it again,
Yep.
and you're gonna go back to your horse.
Yep. Gonna go get the horse, pull it home.
That's fair. Driving the Hertel Runabout isn't just a ride, it's a journey to the automobile's infancy. From bicycle beginnings to automotive breakthroughs, the little machine tells big stories. Thanks for checking our video out. We're excited to bring you more. Comment, like, and subscribe. We got a lot of content coming. We'll see you soon.